All right, in this ukulele video, we're going to talk about what the hell is a capo. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and if you're new to the channel, haven't done so already, please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons, tutorials, and lives we do for ukulele. We also do some baritone and guitarlele as well. If you're on Instagram, follow me over there at ukelikethepros. So today we're going to talk about what the hell is this thing right here. This is a capo. Okay? This is just one style. There's a bunch of different capos out there. This is like they have on guitar, except this is a lot smaller because we have our smaller neck. So let me just do this. Let's just say we take our song. Let's just take the changes to Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Over the rainbow, way up high. All right, so that's in a key of C here. What happens if that's not a great key for me? Let's say I'm a singer. Well, I am a singer, but let's say you're a singer, but it's too low and you need to take it up, okay? Well, you could try to figure out chords in a different key, right? But that's going to require different chord shapes and stuff and a lot of thinking. Here's an easy way. You grab your capo. All you got to do is do this. Let's just throw it on the second fret, okay? Now, if I play the same chords I just did, over the rainbow, way up high. What did it do? Did you notice my voice? Original. Somewhere over the rainbow. Next one. Second fret, like we did. Somewhere over the rainbow. I just took it. I changed the key. Now, when I moved it up 2 frets, that changed it from the key of C to the key of D. So what happens here is I play the same chord shapes, but now this chord is a D chord instead of a C because why? I just moved the nut here up 2 frets, okay? So that's one, well, that's really the main thing that a capo does, is it changes the key without having to change the chord shapes, although you are changing the names of them, but you really don't even need to think about that. You just need to find a key that works for you. Okay, couple real quick pro tips here on the capo. If you can, and I know a lot of times you're changing, if you're doing a gig, you're putting a capo on, you're taking it off. But if you can, especially if you're like in a recording session, put the capo on where you want it to go, then tune your ukulele up. Because a lot of times this capo can grab a string, kind of throw it out of tune a little bit. So you want to tune with the capo on, especially if you're doing a recording session or something like that. Also, you want to try to get this thing nice and straight and try to get it up near the fret if you can. But yeah, there's a couple pro tips for you, mainly the tuning though, to do that. So anyway, this is a capo, and really what does it do? Is it changes the key of the ukulele without having to change your chord shapes. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for being here. If you want more lessons, courses, and even a premium membership, check out my instructional site, ukelikethepros.com. And if you're in the market for a new ukulele, check out the #1 online store for ukuleles at store.ukelikethepros.com. So I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you leaving a comment, and we'll see you next time.